Hello and welcome. Today we will discuss some literary devices. Literary devices are generally used in the poems. Without the use of literary devices, a poem is not a poem in the real sense of the term. So, first of all, you must know what are literary devices. It is a device, and device of literature. That is why it is called literary devices. So literary devices are tools that is used by poets, writers. So without without using this technique, a poem is not a poem in the real sense of the term. Literary devices are techniques used by poets to produce a special effect in their writing. They are essentially tools that a poet uses to create rhythm and enhance the meaning and intensity of the mood and feeling. So this is, you can say, the soul of a poem. And when we read a poem, we have to think upon this also, whether the poet has used, and if he has used, which literary devices are used. And from the examination point of view also, there is a question which is always asked: which literary device is used in the following lines. So you have to know the names of some important. There are so many literary devices. There is a dictionary of literary terms, but for you students, at least 10 important literary devices you must know. Metaphor. Commonly used literary devices are metaphor, simile, alliteration, personification, then assonance, imagery, onomatopoeia, repetition, rhyme, imagery, embellishment. So these are some literary devices, at least 10, 11, 12. At least you should know the main important literary devices. And when we read the poem, we have to think upon these literary devices also. Recently we read a poem, Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. So when we ask which literary devices are used in this short poem, 8-line poem, then you can say alliteration is used. Alliteration, what is alliteration? Occurrence of same sound. If the same sound is repeated at the beginning of the word, that is called alliteration. For example, there is a line, has given my heart. Has given my heart. H is repeated. How sound is repeated? Has heart. So you can say alliteration is used here. Similarly, in the next line, same line, next line, another line is and saved some part. Saved some. So sound is repeated. So alliteration is used in this poem. And there are so many others also. So gradually, one by one, we will discuss all the literary devices. Thank you. That's all for today.